Chocolate cake crumbs 2 cups. Spread evenly. Press and smooth it out into an even layer and refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes. Whipping cream 1 cup. Whisk until soft peaks form. Add melted dark chocolate 75 grams. Whisk until combined. Ferrero Rocher chocolate crumbs 3/4 cup. Fold it until well combined. Layer the mixture on top of cake crumbs. Spread evenly and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Add 70 grams of hot heavy cream onto the 100 grams of dark chocolate. Leave it for 2 to 4 minutes and mix well until the chocolate melts. Pour the chocolate ganache on top of it and refrigerate for 1 hour. Whipping cream 1/2 cup. Whisk until stiff peaks form. Transfer to a piping bag. Pipe on some swirl of whipped cream on top of ganache. Decorate with some Ferrero Rocher chocolates. Enjoy!